Kirkman, gwipio on teg at y postyn pella. Peniad yn dod i mewn, yn cael ei ddyrnu. Oddi ar y trawst. Fydd Rushton yn falch fan'na i camgymeriad o. Oddi 8 munud ar y cloc yma yng Nghoedlan y Parc ag Aberystwyth sydd wedi dod yn agosa. Thorne sydd wedi hyrddio hon. Teg at Bradford. Bel yn disgyn i Bradford. Aberystwyth galw am llawio fan'na. Cariwch ymlaen medda'r dyfarnwr. Yr ergyd mynd teg at gol. Ond dyfarnwr chwifio i ffwrdd y protestiadau gan y tîm cartra. Disney. Pas hyfryd gan John Disney allan at Poole. Franklin derbyn y bel. Croesiad teg at Kenny. Ac mae disgyn i Jordan Davies. A mae Jordan Davies yn sgorio ei 10fed gol am y tymor. Aberystwyth dim Cei Connah 1. Kirkman teg at post yn agosa. Methu curo dyn cynta. Cyfle eto. Teg at y canol tro yma. Oddi ar ben John Owen. Ac mae Aberystwyth wedi union i'r sgôr. John Owen yn codi yn uwch na pawb. Ac Aberystwyth yn union i'r sgôr yn munud ola'r hanner cynta. Roberts, mynd yn hir, chwilio am Kenny. Bradford ar draws. Franklin di wneud yr hediad. Sotliad gan Franklin. Bel yn disgyn i Poole. Yr arbediad gan Dave Jones. Bel yn disgyn chydig bach yn ffodus i Declan Poole yn y cwrt. Ond Dave Jones yn gwneud yr arbediad. Poole. Croesiad teg at Davies. Bel yn disgyn i Noah Edwards. Allan at Harrington. Harrington ar ergyd. Arbediad unwaith eto gan Dave Jones. Gwaith da unwaith eto gan y golwr. Roberts, fyny teg at Jordan Davies. Davies yn troi. Harrington tu allan iddo fo. Pas yn ffindio Harrington. Harrington heibio i Walsh. Croesiad teg at y canol. Dave Jones yn ei gollwng hi. A Jordan Davies methu ffindio'r targed. Gwaith arwrol gan Dave Jones. Harrington. Harrington roed y bel yn ôl i'r canol teg at Franklin. Aberystwyth yn clirio. Dyfanwr, Siagair efo Neil Gibson. Neil Gibson yn gweld cardyn melyn. Dyfanwr ddim yn hapus efo beth sy'n cael ei ddweud ar yr ochr. Davies. Bel dros i ysgwyd teg at Wild. Wild yn rheoli. Cyfle mercyd gan Michael Wild. Blaen bysedd gan Dave Jones. Am arbediad gan y golwr. Williams allan at Clark. Dig y le o flaen Edmund Clark. Bel teg at y canol. Disgyn i Noah Edwards ar y postyn pella. Bel yn taro'r postyn. Dihangfa i'r tîm cartra. A da ni di chwarae 5 munud dros y 90. A'i dyna oedd y cyfle ola i Cei Connah. So cardyn melyn arall i Neil Gibson. Eisoes wedi gweld cardyn melyn am gwyno. Mr Charlton Fleming yn gyrru Neil Gibson i'r eisteddle.
We've got to be together, we've got to be solid, we've got to be a unit. I said we're probably not blessed with the most talent, but what we've got is something that you can't buy. And I think looking at the organisation, looking at the willingness, the desire, the blocks into the end, that's what we've got to do. But great getting a point tonight, it means nothing, we can't move forward in this.
Ollie, I take it the overriding feeling at the end of that one is frustration.
Yeah, of course, yeah. It's you know, we come here today expecting to get 3 points, you know, and you know, but you can't start any game of football at half time and expect to win a game, you know, and all credit to Aberystwyth, you know, they stuck in there, they showed some fighting spirit and they made it difficult for us.
Everything that was coming your way, second half you were keeping out. What was your favourite save, best save?
It's probably the one from Wildly, to be fair. I played against him for years, know him really well. So usually scores against me, to be honest. So when he doesn't score, it's a cheap for me.
Is tonight hopefully like a springboard for you as a club, maybe to move forward?
Yeah,
try
definitely.
And get off the bottom?
Yeah, definitely. Like the performance we've been putting in haven't deserved the results we're getting. Like 3-0 last week, didn't deserve to be 3-0. Just little mistakes we're making, and we got a young back line. They're going to make mistakes. It's important they learn from it. And like I say, just pick up points here and there. It'll soon fly us up there somewhere.
Second half, you were a bit deeper. Was that something you planned on, or is it just something that tends to happen in a game like that?
I'd like to say yes, but no. They started applying the pressure, and it just means we just sagged a little bit, and our striker Steph dropped in, and we became a back six, so we were really close, and we couldn't apply pressure in our half. We weathered the storm for 10 minutes, and they're always going to get that bit of pressure. Listen, these will finish second in the league. We know this, or if not top, but we know they're going to be. So they are going to spell of pressure, but just managing the game and dealing with certain crosses and challenges and manage it best we could, and then we got release and we got the players strike us higher and our midfield become higher, and we got to shape back, but we are going to weather the storm at times.
You've been on the fine and the form, winning 7 on the bounce, scoring for fun, so hopefully you're thinking tonight's just a little blip.
Well, we're hoping so, we're hoping so, but the lads have got to go and prove it again. You know, as I say, we'll start again on Tuesday. We've got a tough run of games again now. You know, we've got Carnarvon, Bala and Pontypridd the next 3 games, including one in the Welsh Cup. So, you know, it's going to be tough, but, you know, the lads will, as I say, they'll just dust themselves down and we'll start again.